Even though I'm not a big canal historian, I found myself on expeditions there with Brett from Topo Ranger and Lewis from Simply Exploventuring. And we've been looking for canal ruins and everything like that. Right here on the Schuylkill River Canal is Lock 60. This is a full working canal. So we've got the doors, which we haven't seen before. Big hinges and bars. One of the things that I've seen with Brett and Lewis when we found canal ruins on the Susquehanna are the indentations here, right? So the doors can swing open. Okay, once you swing them open, then they're going to fit in these little crevices here. No jumping or diving into the lock. Okay, thank you. But yeah, here's what we're looking at. You know, they close one side, let it fill, the boat rises, and you go to the next level of the lock. There's doors down at the other end here too. You can walk right through. We are just north of Phoenixville, just outside of the town of Phoenixville. Pretty amazing. Got some flow coming through there. I'm trying to look for those pieces that we found at Falmouth. Maybe some of these like ladder bars, maybe that's what those were, although they were kind of straightened out. Maybe that's what they are, embedded in the stone or concrete. Don't see anything here on the door that could have been those pieces we found, but I don't know, maybe there's something I'm not seeing. But full working lock here on the Schuylkill Canal. So the canal is here. I came in and parked on Towpath Road over here, which was, you know, the former towpath. Looks like a secondary area over here, maybe for unloading. Looking south, you got the canal. The lock was over here. You have the canal, and then just on the other side of those trees there is the Schuylkill River. At the end of Towpath Road here, we have somewhat of a dam. The canal is over there, water flowing down here into the Schuylkill River. Maybe that's because they only want so much water in the canal right now. Not sure, but Schuylkill River down there. Black Rock Dam is up there. I think we're gonna get a better look when we go on the trail here. But you can come over here. And I take it you can go through here. Yeah, I mean, it's not locked here, so let's check this out. Unimproved area over here, so a couple trees down. Don't really take care of this, but this might take us right out to the Black Rock Dam here. Just saw this heron swoop down. Looking for some breakfast here. It's March 30th. It's about 9 a.m. And March is just hanging on here a little bit. It is frigid. It is 32 degrees. It's breezy, so it feels like it's under 30 degrees. Hopefully by next week, April will be here and we'll have some springtime. We're going to eventually be over there on that trail, I believe. That's the Schuylkill River Trail. We'll be on that for a little while, but we've got an interesting, hopefully interesting hike today. Yeah, I think we'll be able to walk out towards the dam over there when we go back on the other side here. Not really going to jump across the spillway here, I don't think. Yeah, I don't trust myself to really climb up that sheer flat concrete wall with no footholds. So all right, so we'll head back here. We'll get on the trail that we're going to get on, but this Lock 60 area is really cool too. So it is a fully restored lock, so it's rebuilt. It is working. They do demonstrations for groups and special events. The Schuylkill Canal Association does that. And this lock is one of 72 locks built on the canal, and it was originally constructed in the 1820s. So a little older, I believe, than the lock we found. I'll link that video up here, our discovery on the Susquehanna River. I believe this one dates a little older than that. We'll see you next time.